Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Reni. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really do appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. On my channel, if you don't know, on my channel, I make content about financial literacy, career development, and lifestyle. So if any of those are topics that interest you, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that like button if you like this kind of content, because the way I decide to make more videos is if they get likes or not. If they don't get likes, I know that you don't like that content and then I don't make more. But if you do like this content, please hit that like button. As I said, it really does help my channel and allows me to make content that you want to see. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be talking about trading versus investing. I'm going to keep this video very short because I've heard some feedback that my videos are a little long. So we're going to keep this video short and just tackle this question of what is trading versus what is investing. Let me know, do you know the difference, or are you, obviously maybe you're watching this because you don't know the difference, but let me know down below if you know the difference between trading and investing. I'll wait. Okay. So I feel like often when we are looking online and we're searching about investing, oftentimes we'll see this term called trading, and a lot of people actually do use it interchangeably. They use the word trading with investing, but to me personally, it is not the same thing. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do know that they are not the same thing. So I'm going to define them for you today, and I'm also going to tell you what I think newbies should do. If you are beginning to investing, this is what you should do. So the difference between trading and investing is your goals. That's it. Point blank, period. It's the goals that you have when it comes to your money. So with investing, if you watch any video on my channel, you know that I am an investor. I am a long-term investor. I am someone who is a very lazy investor. And what an investor is somebody who puts their money in an asset with the hope that it will grow long-term. They're focused on building wealth. They're focused on dividends. They're focused on the long-term growth of whatever they are investing in. So this is not someone who is, for example, if we look at a house, this is not someone who is going to buy a house and flip it the next month and then resell it. This is someone who buys that house and holds and holds and holds, gets their rental income and holds and holds and holds. If we look at the stock market, this is someone like me who I buy my stocks and then I don't look at them for the next 2 years because I'm not there for the short-term gains. I'm there for the long-term growth that I can experience from them. On the other hand, we have something called trading, and trading is the opposite. So it is something, these are for the people who are focused on the short-term gains that they can get and maximizing their money in the short term. For example, if you are to buy a stock today, then you may sell it within 3 hours. You may sell it within the next 24 hours. You may sell it within the week. So these are people who are holding for the very, very, very short term. Even some people hold for less than a month, but I would say that's still trading in my opinion. With trading, their goal again is to maximize those returns. Their goal is to make sure that in the very short term, they're buying low and they're selling high. Of course, for all investing and all trading, you want to buy low and sell high, but imagine you're buying low and selling high within the same day. Like that's another level of, of skill, and I do not have that level of skill. To me, trading kind of seems like gambling, but I'm not here to judge anyone, but to me, it's not the safest thing to do, simply because you don't know how the market's gonna react in the next few hours. We know that over the long term, the market has gone up and up and up over the past however many 100 years, but we don't know in the next 2-3 hours how the stock is going to perform. So that's why I see it as a much riskier than doing something like long-term investing. If you are in Canada, one key thing to note is that you cannot trade in your TFSA, your tax-free savings account. Your tax-free savings account is strictly for long-term investing, and the CRA, the Canada Revenue Agency, will actually penalize you if they do see trading in your TFSA. The reason that they're penalizing you is because they see this as a way to build your wealth. They don't see this as something you're doing as a business to get short-term profits. So they're going to say, oh, you're doing short-term? Here's a penalty for that. And we don't want those penalties. So if you are going to try trading, I know some people will still after this video, make sure that you don't do it in your TFSA. It is not meant for your TFSA. You have to do it in a non-registered account. If you are going to do trading, you have to make sure that you are willing to dedicate the time and effort that it takes to constantly be monitoring your portfolio. That's why I said I can never be a trader, because I don't have the energy or the time to sit on my computer and watch to see if it's going up or if it's going down over the short term. So if you are going to be doing that, just make sure that you have the time and the energy to dedicate to it. So just getting to the end of this video, in my opinion, I think that beginners should not trade. You should not begin with trading. It is not the place to start, especially because trading can be very costly if you are using a platform that charges commissions. Imagine you're using TD Waterhouse to do your investing. With TD, they charge $9.99 per trade. So if you are a beginner, my suggestion would be to not trade. I don't recommend it. And I always say I could never be a trader because it requires so much time and dedication and energy. And especially if you're just learning the fundamentals of investing, this is not the place for you to start. One thing that happens a lot with trading is people are actually losing money because they're not accounting for the fees. So say you buy 100 shares at $10 and then by a few hours it goes up to $12 and you sell it and there's a $2 profit, right? You also have to account for the fact that you bought those shares and you paid the commission fee to buy them. And then at the end of it, you're also paying a commission fee to sell them. On TD Waterhouse, for example, that commission fee is $9.99. So if you're doing that, $9.99 is a lot of money and it's taking out of your profit. So if you are a beginner, and you also have to consider that you would be paying taxes on that as well because you can't do it in your TFSA. So my suggestion for all of you, if you are a new investor or even just a lazy investor like me, stay away from trading, stick with investing, stick with the tried, tested, and true companies that you already know. So I hope this video was very helpful. Let me know what you will be doing. Will you be doing trading or will you be doing investing? Leave it down below and make sure you let me know what you want to see in future videos. If you want short videos like this, let me know a question that you have so I can answer just those questions as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!